This is on the back of the page. It is just under the example, the question that says change the fraction so that it has a common denominator of 5x squared y cubed. This is just a skill we're going to practice so that we're able to add and subtract fractions properly. So our goal is to take the negative 3 over xy. This is part D or E of that question. And we want to change the denominator so that it's 5x squared y cubed. So we compare our two denominators. We notice there's no 5 over here, so we're going to add a 5 on the bottom. But we also need to add a 5 on the top so that we're not changing the question. Then you should notice we're short 1x, right? So x times x will be x squared, but then we need to add an x on top. And you'll notice we are short a y squared. We already have one y, but to make it y cubed, we need to put a y squared in the denominator and a y squared in the numerator. We're not so concerned how the numerator is going to look. We're just going to simplify it. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15, and times x times y squared. We're much more concerned that the denominator is going to look like 5x squared y cubed. So we've got a 5, x times x is x squared, and y times y squared is y cubed. And we're not going to simplify it. We don't want this to be as simplified as possible. We just want these denominators to match. And so then we're done this question, and we're ready to move on to the adding and subtracting examples.